gonna show in this video how I make the snappy straps for the Kaleidoscope bag. I use here two colors. The strap accent is the blue cork, the strap top is the feathers. On top of the screen you see the stiff stuff from Sue Lazy. On all four pieces I mark the center. Just a line. This is double-sided tape. Normally you use it to fix tablets and phones, but if you don't sew through it, it's absolutely no problem. Now I fold the strap in two. The edge of the strap goes up to the line we just drew. The fabric stays together because we used the double-sided tape. This is not in real time, you were not surprised. For the fabric, I just take a normal school glue stick. In the middle, on that line, I place the stiff stuff stabilizer. Then I take my glue stick again and add some glue on top of this. Why do I use the glue stick and not double-sided tape? Because that will work as well. Because the glue stick is still cheaper than the double-sided tape. And if something is not needed or you can do it cheaper, I prefer to do it cheaper. If you don't have a glue stick, just use a double-sided tape. That works as well, even better. But to hold it all together, I use here the double-sided tape, because we will need it to glue this part of fabric onto the accent pieces. Now I trim all my pieces to the correct length. I did not start with the correct length because I had my cork that was almost the correct length and I just took it from there. For the fabric it was the same thing. The stiff stuff stabilizer was the correct length, so I know exactly how long it should be. I need 1 inch on each side that is not with stiff stabilizer. I'm now going to place the fabric, the handle top, on top of the handle accent. I have almost ½ inch on each side. On the ends I push the remaining fabric in it. I take a little piece of double-sided tape. And I glue it together. I do the same thing for the second strap. When the straps are constructed, go to your sewing machine and sew them together. Just barely. I like that the most. Like this.